Most drivers assume all dash cams are created equal. But imagine capturing a critical accident moment only to find the footage blurry or incomplete. That's where the Vantrue S1 Pro Max steps in. Welcome to Autovated, where today we're breaking down the Vantrue S1 Pro Max 4K Dashcam, a feature-packed front dash camera designed to give you clarity, security, and peace of mind on every drive. I've gone through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and comparisons to bring you an honest look at how this camera performs. The Vantrue S1 Pro Max boasts a 4K 30 FPS front-facing camera with the flagship IMX678 sensor. This sensor enhances low-light performance and minimizes motion blur, meaning license plates, pedestrians, and distant details remain sharp even at night. Coupled with STARVIS 2 and Vantrue's exclusive PlatePix plus HDR technology, nighttime footage is significantly clearer, perfect for late-night commutes or protecting yourself in case of incidents. For glare reduction and extra clarity, there's also an optional CPL filter. The Dashcam supports cars, trucks, RVs, minivans, and taxis, offering broad compatibility across vehicle types. Key features include blazing 5G Wi-Fi for transferring footage at speeds up to 8 MB/s, built-in GPS that logs speed and route, and hands-free voice control for commands like take a photo or turn on Wi-Fi. Parking protection is covered with 15-second buffered event recording, low-light night vision, and motion detection to capture collisions or malicious scratches, though the hardwire kit for continuous parking mode must be purchased separately. Loop recording, a rugged supercapacitor, and support for up to 1 TB memory cards make this camera ideal for marathon recording sessions without safety risks. Advanced ADAS alerts help prevent collisions, pedestrian accidents, and lane drift, and LTE connectivity, optional, allows remote monitoring and live streaming of incidents while parked. Pros: exceptional 4K daytime and nighttime clarity thanks to STARVIS 2 and PlatePix HDR. Robust supercapacitor design, eliminating battery explosion risks. Long-term recording support up to 1 TB. Easy installation with adhesive bracket and minimal tools, and optional ADAS plus LTE for extra safety. Cons: full parking mode requires a separate hardwire kit. LTE connectivity is sold separately, and initial setup may be slightly daunting for complete tech novices. Compared to competitors like the Nextbase 622GW and Garmin Dashcam 67W, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max offers superior nighttime license plate clarity and larger memory capacity. While Nextbase excels in app integration and Garmin in compactness, Vantrue's advantage lies in 4K resolution, supercapacitor durability, and extensive feature set for full-time security coverage. If you're a daily commuter, rideshare driver, or long-haul traveler who wants the reassurance of crisp video evidence and advanced safety alerts, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max is a strong contender. Performance drivers or minimalists may find it over-featured or slightly bulky, but for those prioritizing peace of mind, it delivers exceptional value. If this deep dive is steering you towards smarter decisions and you're ready to drive your knowledge further, hit that like button, subscribe, and rev up notifications so you never miss the latest on automotive tech. In conclusion, the Vantrue S1 Pro Max is a strong option for drivers who need reliable, high-quality footage day and night. If budget constraints exist, the Vantrue N2 Pro offers a solid alternative, albeit with slightly lower resolution and fewer advanced features. Thank you for watching. Links to the product can be found in the comments and description. Share your experiences or questions if you already own one. And until next time, keep your drive sharp and your tech autovated.